So
Dude, there's a guy right there. Dude, you freaking died, bro. You're ass, bro. You're literally ass, bro.
bro, what do you mean, bro? I got second place. I literally got second place.
You're booty cheeks, bro.
Really? Think
What are you
fast,
gonna
buddy.
do? New Year's Eve.
Think fast, buddy.
New Year's Eve tomorrow. What are you gonna do?
Bro.
Right into the lamp. Isn't that what your mommy got you? Oh.
That's what I thought, buddy. Don't say I'm trash again.
That guy, he is kind of booty cheeks. I wish I can kill him. But you know what? I can. Look at what you see. You know what? Tomorrow, I'm gonna kill him. Oh, it's dead time. I can't wait. Woof. I'm gonna end this whole bloodline. Well, better gear up. I think this is good enough. I'll definitely kill someone with this. I can kill a whole room. Unless the firework on it. Yeah. Just need gunpowder, so. Oh crap. Oh wow. Man, that's a mark. Oh. Guess this thing could have some good use.
Cookies are good.
Yucky,
Yo.
yucky.
Yup.
Oh my god, my freaking knife is stuck in the table.
What? Oh. Guess what?
What's that gonna do?
What are you doing? Oh. What have you done? Oh, you can't even aim with that.
I'm gonna cause this whole entire forest to burn down.
Kind of walls that you can't.
Get up behind you.
Why are you telling me? I need a doctor.
I hope you like that one. I'll let you live. And you're the only one.
I won't let you live.
Only if you answer this one question, okay? Only if you answer this one question.
What is it?
That's a toy.
What's the question?
Do you know anyone that lives over there?
No.
You don't know? Come over here. Alright, you're very wounded. You're very wounded. And I can kill you in seconds.
killed you too. And I don't.
It's a toy.
No, it's not.
Those balls are very cheap plastic.
Tell me if this is fake.
That's what? She never says. She never says. I got metal. You know anyone who lives here?
My best friend.
What?
My best friend. His name's
What?
Jeffrey. Please don't kill me.
Jeffrey? What the fuck are you doing? I'm gonna kill. Wow! Come here, you little.
Stay away from me!
No, you got me this time. Oh, I got you. I'm coming.
He will never find me here.
I'm like that. The ropes. Next time I'm gonna.
Yankee.
Oh crap. Oh crap.
You will never get me up here because the man is weak and selfish.
Oh, I'm weak. Oh, when I kill you, you're gonna tweak. That one.
Oh. No, no.
Oh, oh my god. You fail this time. I'm gonna kill that son of a bitch friend of yours. And I'm gonna go bitch it next year.